Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see here, I am in a 3-story townhome that is about 1,300 square feet. So I needed to have adequate air conditioning blowing through all 3 floors. So I needed to efficiently clean my AC condenser. So let's get into this video. So you want to do this at least twice a year to keep your AC clean. What I'm doing here is removing all of the screws to allow me access into the condenser itself and taking the bracket from around the coil area so that I can thoroughly clean the unit. Once you have removed all of the screws around the full condenser, you're able to gently lift the lid, but you do not want to take the lid completely off. You want to just tilt it back, take a stick and prop it up so that you do not damage any of the wires that are connecting the fan to the condenser unit. You're going to want to be careful when you are removing the bracket around the unit so that you do not damage any of the coil with the sharp edges in the process of taking it off. Now you have full access to clean the coils. And as you can see, there's a lot of debris that tends to accumulate in the bottom. So now you get your compressor, make sure that you have pressure built up, and then you can go in and start blowing off all of that dirt and debris. You can do it from the inside out. I decided it was easier to take the cap that has a brush off of the cleaning solution and kind of brush gently around the coils to loosen up that sticky dirt and debris. At this point, guys, I was realizing, oh my gosh, I needed on a mask. And I needed to cover my hair because this was a dirty job. Now I'm just going in and pulling out all of those leaves and dirt and grime that is at the bottom of the inside of the condenser, removing as much as I possibly can. Then I'm just going to gently blow out the excess. I'm just blowing underneath just to kind of clean out whatever excess came out those little holes at the bottom. Make sure you shake up the cleaning solution vigorously. Spray the cleaner all over the coils. Make sure you get in there as good as possible. It has a very nice fragrance. It is kind of like an orangey, citrusy smell, which is really nice. I use the entire can, but you just get all in between those coils. Try not to get anything on the inside where the wires are, but you can spray the solution inside and out. Going all the way around the unit, making sure that I get as much as that cleaning solution on those coils as possible. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our water hose, and we are going to spray down all of that cleaning solution and get that grime out of the coils. You can spray on the outside and you can also spray on the inside, but again, remember, do not saturate the wires on the inside of your AC unit. You try to stay away from it as much as possible with the cleaning solution and the water hose. Now that that is all done, you can go ahead and reassemble the bracket back onto the coils, around the coils, and put your lid back on. Make sure you put all your screws back in place, and your AC condenser is nice and clean. The efficiency and the flow of your air should be much better. I hope this really helps someone out there that is looking to do it on their own and save some money. This is very simple to do. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. Remember, hit the subscribe button and come back for more. Thanks again for watching. Bye.